Hey guys, you want to save $50,000 or not? I tell you how. This car you buy brand new is about 249,000 listing price. But this unit, only 6 months old, and we are listing at 190 plus. Super mega saving for you. Find out more. Yo! 𝐏𝐨𝐽𝐽 over here, and this right here is Polestar 2 in amazing, beautiful midnight blue color. This car is only 6 months old, and you're getting massive savings if you're getting this unit. Let's check it out. Just have a look at this beauty. Out of all the EVs out there, Polestar design is one of my favorites. Look, this is firstly, the logo is very nice. I mean, look at it, Polestar, like a North Star like that, very nice. The grille, also very nice. The headlight, also very nice. The side profile is really cool. It looks like a crossover SUV kind of thing. And this color, midnight blue, is also very lovely. Behind we have a one monolight, very cool, very sick. This car, of course, it comes with a fully electric boot. Let's try. See, comes with a kick boot as well. One kick, one try, open right away. No need to kick under your car like one cuckoo, keep trying, never open. This one open on first try. Big boot space. The benches can fold to give you even more room if you need to. Now let's close this. All right, so behind, plenty of space for a rear passenger. Leather in perfect condition. Of course, this car is almost brand new, only 6 months old. Rear passenger aircon, and we have a 12-volt charging port also. Look, the design everywhere very nice. Even the speakers here, the stitching. This car is very beautiful. Also, another cool thing, there is no on and off button in this car. When I lock it, the car automatically is off. When I open, the car will automatically on. I just need to put to drive and go. So now let's go in. All right, we're inside, and this is what it looks like from driver's perspective. Very beautiful and modern cabin, and what I like, it is not too minimalistic. Very nicely designed. First things first, we have full leather steering wheel. Of course, it's multifunctional. Both driver and passenger seats are fully electric. Driver side also comes with memory settings as well. Fully digital speedometer cluster, very beautiful. You can have your maps in there, which is really very cool. Very nice infotainment screen. By the way, I'm not sure you can see on camera, but actually the glass is matte to minimize the glaring. Of course, it comes with Apple CarPlay, Android Auto. It's got its own functionality like Google Maps, Waze, Spotify, all this. Another cool thing about this car, let me show you this. Yes, it's got 360 bird's eye view, which is very cool. All right, so this is your gear selector, very nice, very standard. To put back to park, we press the P button. Here's your volume control. Here we even got cup holder. This thing, of course, can close to make it more comfortable for your elbow. And all different patterns in terms of design. You see over here. Guys, really very nice car. Another thing I really like, the frameless mirror is not only inside, but also outside. The mirror is also look like frameless like that. I think this is really cool. I've seen Polestars on the road, and this thing immediately caught my eye. So nice, so beautifully designed. All right, blacked out roof lining to give you that premium feel, which is very nice. All right, guys, have another look at this very cool car. So on COE, we still got 9 years and 6 months left. A lot of time for you to enjoy, guys. This car is almost brand new, yet you're getting massive savings. And COE keeps going up. So this deal just keeps getting better. You all know what to do. Call me and I'll give you a good deal.